known as General Sibia. So much money was collected, including the private jet.
Illuminate yourself, align to the current affairs, be factual and reasonable. Greetings to everyone. On this video, we are going to look into the matter of the controversial man of God, Shepherd Bushiri. Fellow South Africans, Shepherd Bushiri extradition case in Malawi is struck off the roll, meaning Shepherd Bushiri will not be taken to South Africa to come and account for all the bad deeds that he is accused of, and he also is wanted for not respecting the bail conditions. But things took a totally different twist and turn when it is established and found that along the process of him being into that light of the law in South Africa, there were some highly aligned, highly ranked police officers in South Africa that have been playing twins and tens around, promising him that they will make him to go scot-free. And among them is nobody rather than the well-known and popular name in a very, very bad light, General Shadrack Sibia. On his line of videos, Shepherd Bushiri named the name of Paul, of which by Paul we have allegedly a belief that is Paul O'Sullivan, who's this Paul promised to bring along Shadrack Sibia. And then himself, Shepherd Shiburi, say they have managed to meet Sibia on his plot or a farm, and then he wanted 12 million to make sure that he is going scot-free. He will not be tampered with or be put to law to account for any bad deed that he has done. It is so amazing that this General Sibia allegedly is involved in almost every major legal battle or criminal situations, of which put his name in a very, very bad light. And I do not understand why up until at this moment General Sibia is not arrested for several of the matters that seems like they are getting more and more by the day. What do you think? Do you think Shepherd Bushiri managed to escape the legal processes in South Africa because of the interference of South African officials? And do we see South African government going to take further steps to try to get him into South Africa to answer for his evil deeds, allegedly? What do you think, South Africans? Please, let's hear what you say on the comments. Thanks for watching the video.